Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Blue Yonder Workforce app not working, how you can fix it. So first of all we will go into the Play Store and here we will search Blue Yonder on the search bar, okay, and it will open up here. And if you see a option update in the place of open, you have to update this app and you have to use the latest version of this app. So maybe this can fix your issue, but if it doesn't, you have to just click and hold, and if you have to go to the app info, and basically you have to go to the app management, and here you can click on the storage usage, and here you have to clear cache, and after clearing the cache it can fix your issue. But if it doesn't, you have to clear the data, and after clearing the data you have to re-log in into this app, and basically it will become a new app and you have to do everything from starting. But if it doesn't fix this app, you have to uninstall this app. So I will just click over the app and I will uninstall it, and I will go to the Play Store, and here I will search Blue Yonder and I will install this app once again. So after installing this app, it will fix each and every issue of this app. And I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.